I'm gonna show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It's so fast like that, yes. Yes, like that, yeah. It's fast like that, yeah. So we solve it like this, yes. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to solve it like this, and just put it like that. So just put the algorithm like that, yes. So it's 9 seconds, shit, yes. 31, 32, 33, we can solve it fast like this. So this is the white, this is the white, and this is a yellow, and it's not white, yes. I'm gonna show you how to solve this fast. So first, this is the green, we must put it in the here because it's the real position is the correct position like that. And this is the red, is the correct position too. And then we must put the orange like that, yeah, yes. So we solve the white cross, this is the white cross, right? This is not included because it's the second layer. And then this is the white core, this is the second layer. Because that's second, so like that. You know how to put it like that. You cannot learn Rubik's Cube how to put it like that. So you must do it. So go and like this, and then oh yes. So I'm gonna press this in. This is green and red. We must put it here. This is green. This is orange. We must put it like. We must put it like that, and we must up it there, and then there. You can know it, you can know it. And then this orange, we must put it algorithm again. So you must, I'm so slow because I want you to learn that. So I don't want to make you mad, so I'm gonna make it slow. Let's put it like this, there, and there. This is the perfect algorithm. I solved it right. And this is the yellow code. Let's put it like there. Let's put it like there. Let's put it again there. So, I'm sorry. So these we must put it like down there, and we must up this to the white, and this two we must put it like there, and then we must put it like there again. We must put it like there, and then we must put it again in this too. Yeah, again, yeah. Put it like that too, and then we must solve this now. I'm sorry because I'm on a heart. I'm sorry. So we must put this algorithm. This is a common mistake of the Rubik. So we must put it down there, and then down there again, and then down there again, and then we must put this two up there, and then we must put this stay yellow, and then we must put it there. So we make it fast. So we must put it. What is the color here? Then we must solve it because you know how to solve it now, right? So thank you very much. Thank you.